So, this is my work of art because I'm awesome. And her mom doesn't know that we did this, that I cut her hair, and so we're about to go show her for the first time and hope that she doesn't kick my ass. So
and mine.
And mine.
Yeah, yours too. Okay, so go.
Doesn't she look so hot? Ryan's hair. Let's go.
Hey, Miss Tracy. What's going on?
What?
Again.
You cut her bangs?
No.
Yes.
Doesn't she look so cute?
I can't believe you cut your bangs. I think it looks fun, but I just can't believe you did it. Hi. Hi.
Go stand by your lovely mother.
Go hug her.
Are you gonna shoot me? I don't know. I don't know. I look very even, but it's not bad.
Or I don't really know if she's done or not.
I'll fix it. That's pretty though. Yeah, shoot. I cannot believe you got bangs. All that crap letting them grow. And you shot them off.
Kirsty Moore.
Brenda Isle.
Come on, baby.
Okay, now, to end.
What?
To end. Thumbs up.
You cut the back too?
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh,